Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't even state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day, especially during that opening 30 minutes. Volume really came pouring in. Things got sketchy for a little bit as the price had that bigger pullback, but to give full credit where credit's due, after that, early morning pullback, the rest of the day, the price essentially just, grinded its way higher and higher. So overall, a good solid day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into Friday. So let's first talk about some areas of support. Then we can talk resistance. The initial level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could somehow stay up above 16 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 16, I am not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 16, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play. The famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 16 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As of right now, nothing fancy, nothing complicated or anything like that. Right up there at 17.5 for the simple reason that that's just simply where the party stopped today. So 17.5, public enemy number one going into Friday. All in all, though, great movement today. And as long as the price begins to now to chip away and build higher bases, that is the name of the game. So it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow on Friday. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.